you cannot tell the difference. You cannot tell the difference from the bags. That's what I'm telling you. Just look at that. Just look at that. I really think you should get it. I really think it is worth the price. How are they gonna know? How would they know? How? Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lydia Stanley, or fondly called Mrs. M. And if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for coming back to my video. In today's video, we're going to be having a really exciting video. By the title, you can already tell I have wanted this big girl bag for the longest time, and I finally got it from Ranka Mall. I would have all their links in the description, as well as a discount code. I'm just so excited to show you what I got from this website. If you like to see it, keep on watching and let me know what's on your bag wish list, okay? I would love to know what's on your bag wish list. We could get our big bags together from this website, okay? Now, moving on into the video, this website I found I really love because I have been wanting this bag. When I show you, I think you already seen it in the description, but this is me being pre-excited. I went on a hunt as usual and I found this website for you. They sell really beautiful bags. You cannot even tell the difference. And in case you're new here, I find incredible deals for you that has bags, shoes, accessories, everything designer that you can get that looks legit, but you do not spend the designer price tag. Do you understand? You get the designer but without the price tag. Do you get me? So it's very easy for you to even manifest being able to afford a $10,000 bag, because it's not everybody that's going to be able to do that, probably in their lifetime, if we're being honest. So that's where this website is coming to. And honestly, why am I carrying land on my hand when I can buy these bags and still be able to go and invest in my land and real estate? That is food for thought if you gel with it. And I think some people, even, I'm ranting so much, but I need to tell you this thing. I feel like some people even buy these bags from these websites and they come to hit Nigeria here and they sell it as the real deal. I'm not even kidding you, because you cannot tell the difference. You cannot tell the difference from the bags. That's what I'm telling you. So yeah, let me get it to show you. Now, when I tell you that these bags are really amazing, take it from me, okay? I got this Dior bag. Whoosh! Can you see how gorgeous she is? So I've seen my babe Sophiology carrying this bag, and I really think I like how it looks predominantly with a lot of outfits. So I cannot wait to style this very beautifully, okay? First, I got this necklace. I think we should start with the necklace. This is the VCA necklace, and it came in this box, okay? It's very well packed, very well kept. It looks so beautiful. I cannot even overemphasize how beautiful this packaging came. She is so pretty. I have always wanted her. Let me just put it out in my hand so we can see it together. She is so pretty. It's the gold BCA necklace. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. Can you see that detailing and that gorgeousness? Like, wow. Just look at that. Just look at that. Like, it feels legit. It has a good weight to it as well. So it's not even giving. It's so beautiful. I cannot even explain it to you. I'm going to have my baby come put this on. Or should I try to be a big girl? Let me see how easy it is to put on myself. Look how beautiful that is. I have to come up for you to see. So beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I love it so much. I really think it flatters me so well. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 10 petal one. I wanted to be sure. It's a 10 petal flower. necklace from VCA. I'll have all the exact links to what I got in the description box. And as I said, this is from Rankamo. Are you ready to see this gorgeous bag? Oh my goodness. Taking off the container. It has like certificates and sales memo, what, in case you really need further authentication. And the bag. Oh my god. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ah. Look how gorgeous this bag is, please. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Can you see the... What? What? Wow. So this is, I guess, the Dior. I have this in black and I wanted this in this gorgeous red color. Let me know what you think about this color. I just want to tear, or I need to be patient. That is so beautiful. Wow. It's so beautiful. Can you see the gloss on this bag? So I'm just going to open up this. Let's see what's inside the bag. I think it's what do you call it? Straps. This bag is so beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy I got it. This bag is so beautiful. So this is what the inside of the bag looks like. Isn't that so gorgeous? So well made. And the flap, the bag, it has 2 straps. Okay, let me keep this somewhere where you'll be seeing her. Welcome her to the family. These are the straps. Okay, they are regular straps. This is a regular Dior strap. So well made, so well made. They cannot know. I think a lot of people that say they buy a lot, 10 million Birkins, 20 million designer bags at once, I think these are the websites they use. Check out for Ranka Mall. I'll have them linked in the description. The exact bag I got, because this is so beautiful. So beautiful. I don't even know how to explain it. There's some nylons you have to cut, of course, but I just want to show you the detail on this strap. Okay, I feel like it should focus on it. Can you see that detail? Can you see how well made this strap is? Is that picking up on camera? The detail in this strap. When I tell you Ranka Mall is not joking with quality. What? I definitely cannot wait to carry this on holiday. Okay, I cannot wait. This is definitely coming with me on vacation, because it's going to be such a beautiful bag to style. And I think this shade goes with a lot of colors of outfits. Wow, I'm just going to clip this anyway just to show you. It's so nice, so nicely made. Wow. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. I don't think it's long enough for a crossbody, but it's long enough for a strap, shoulder strap. This is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you thought about this gorgeous bag. I really think you should get it. I really think it is worth the price. On the website, it's not even up to $400. I don't think this bag. I'm going to leave what it costs on the screen right now. It's not even up to that for this gorgeousness I have in my hand right now. This bag is the real deal, okay? This bag is amazing. I really wanted to get this bag and I am happy I did. It is such a welcome addition to my big girl closet. This bag is amazing. Those are my final thoughts. Let me know what you think of it. Did I make a good choice? Let me know in the comments. and what bag is on your wish list, would you be checking out this kind of websites? I definitely recommend it. Trust me. How would they know? How are they gonna know? How would they know? How? Anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Do check out all the links. I'm just in awe of this bag. Like, I'm just in awe. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. Wow.